Meaning of dagga. Dagga. Dagga.
Dagga. Dagga. Dagga is a term used to refer to the dried leaves and flowers of the cannabis sativa plant. It is commonly consumed for its psychoactive effects and is illegal in many countries due to its association with recreational drug use. The consumption of dagga can lead to changes in perception, mood, and behavior, including relaxation, euphoria, and altered sensory experiences. However, it also carries risks such as impaired coordination, reduced short-term memory, and potential addiction or dependence.